What do they say in the cook shows? We have already prepared it for you, and so I've already opened this camera. It's a LSC Smart Connect indoor IP camera from a shop called Action. Yeah, this cover sits over the camera, and I've just used the smartphone opening tool to snap it out, which you can do without damaging this. You have a bunch of infrared LEDs that connect here to the circuit board, give you a limited night vision capability, little microphone and the blue LED. In the back is a little speaker, the standard El Cheapo dashcam kind of construction with the glued in place screw lens on this beveled base here. If I could break it loose, I might swap it for one from the dashcam one, but yeah. The camera itself, I won't keep it. I intended to use it, but the app that comes with it is just crap. It wants me to open an account, and I will not open an account to use a product I've paid for. You have this little swivel base to wall mounted. It is USB-C powered. The cable is extraordinarily short, which is a joke with a product like this. I mean, yeah, whatever. I mean, they don't put, yeah, whatever. It costs 10 bucks. We see a few extra details here, which is good. For example, we have a power consumption is 5 volts, 1 amp, which is quite a big power draw. So just using a power bank won't kick it for long. Yeah, 128 gigabytes, two-way audio. Yeah, you can yell at the person, "Hey, don't open this! No, don't steal this! Hey, hey! I said don't steal this! Hey, he does it anyway!" Yeah, we got a standard HD resolution, privacy function. However, I don't trust this at all. 75 degrees view angle standard. Night vision 5 meter. Yeah, with those little LEDs, is this the maximum that you really get out of it. Perhaps in a room, yeah. Yeah, the app sucks. I will never open an account to use a product I've used, but whatever. Yeah. I have the receipt, I will return it. It came with one of them probably fake 3M adhesive pads to put here in the back, which is roughly cut in shape to fit in here, but yeah, it fits. So you can sticky glue it to a surface if you'd like to. It came with those generic dowels and screws. Instruction manual is pretty much useless. It just tells you how to plug it in and how to download the app, and that's actually it. Pause and read if you like to. I don't. Yeah, and that's it. Oh yeah, by the way, this was screwed onto here. This is infrared sensitive plastic you can look through. Yeah. SD card slot as usual. Microphone is here. You can unplug the microphone if you want to. Yeah. Cheap generic product in combination with a stupid app. Someday this whole app thing has to end. You know, like in the good old days when you bought a product, you plug the product in, And it worked. Yeah. Oh yeah. I wish this time would be back. That's what. Yeah, the good old days, as they call it. And this time it's true. That's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it.